The way I like to put in the MX connector is the same thing as the Romex, when I snug it up with the nut in there, just so it's snug and about a 1/4 inch away from where we need to be. And then with channel locks, we'll just give it a little turn. And there we have it. One other thing I want to show you that's interesting is each one of these MX wires, which you don't always see, has a little ground strap on it, right there. And that a lot of MX wires don't have that. That's actually a ground. That needs folded over the edge, so your connector flips at the other. And it makes a nice grind to the box. Before you put your MX in your connector, always make sure you put one of these insulators in there. It keeps the wires from chafing. And then just go ahead and slide in. So we always have a red insulator in each MX wire. I usually like to put my ground wire in before I put the box up. It's just easier. But if you forgot, it's not the end of the world. We'll go ahead and make a quick grind. We just want to make a loop on there. Go ahead and bend it so it goes in the box nice. Next we have a screw, grounding screw, which we'll put in. Okay, there you have it. And then we'll go ahead and screw that into the box. If you can buy the boxes with the little cable hump there, it makes it nicer to put the ground screw in, especially if you're mounting your boxes flush on the wood. Okay, there you have it. As you can see, all of our wires are in motion now.